So I'm here today at Vivere in BGC Uptown Mall. Hi! I'm gonna have my haircut tsaka keratin treatment. And so here's my service stub. So I'm starting from the bottom. I went with Vivere first. Having my hair shampooed. So I'm gonna be getting a haircut and a new color with Ate Barbie. Okay, sige. Yay.
It's not that light. And puti ka naman, so hindi ka mahirapang mag-adjust sa color.
Okay. Wala ko talaga. Nawala yung ano niya. Sitaw. Yun naman. Okay, so we are almost done.
Tasseled lang. Masyadong firm. Back mirror, please. Hope you like it.
Thank you. Hey guys, so how do you like my new look? Well, they curled it for today, but I normally won't. It looks like it's wash and wear, so I kind of like it. The color is nice. So after my makeover from Vivere, right now I am at Nailholics again, and I'm gonna be having my foot spa and pedicure. I decided to skip my manicure because I'll be doing a lot of workshops in the coming weeks, so there's no point of me getting a manicure. You know what's funny? I just remembered the last time Vivere did a makeover, I said I wanted something this short, and then the stylist didn't want it. The stylist wanted me to keep my hair length. So parang he was like, "Are you really sure?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'm sure." So they cut it really like this short. But today I feel like I wanted to keep my length earlier, so I said I wanted to cut off like 2 inches just for a trim. And then the stylist didn't want it. The stylist wanted me to have shorter hair. So he gave me a collar length hair like this, which is totally fine. I'm like used to this length anyway. So I decided to have foot spa and pedicure. So I'm waiting for it to dry. I picked a pink color for today. So I just finished my pampering session here. Hey guys, I just finished my pampering session at Uptown BGC. So I picked a pink shade today. And I took my hair. I chose like the pink today. Go guys, I just finished my pampering session from Nailholics and Vivere. Fun fact, my hair has been taken care of by Vivere for about 2+ years now. They've been doing my cuts and my colors, and I'm so happy that I have another session with them today. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!